Oh, hello, beautiful people and Linux fans. I hope I find you well wherever you are right now, and I hope you have a great week so far. I have some great news. The new Fedora 41 beta is out, and today I'm gonna try and take a really quick look because my last couple of videos got really long. So I will try to keep this as short as possible. So without further ado, let's get to the video. Okay, as you can see right here, I have already installed it and I'm running the latest Fedora Linux 41 beta release. So what really beta is? Beta releases are basically code complete and will very closely resemble the final release, while the Fedora project community will be testing this and help for every single package that is shipped to work as good and as expected. Okay, so let's take a quick look what has been changed. First of all, there's no Python 2 anymore. Let's see. Yes, there is no Python 2 anymore, just the 3.13 version. So if you have any packages that require Python, for example 2.7 at runtime, will need to upgrade to the new version or be retired as well. Now, in the version 41 of the Fedora desktop, the proprietary driver for NVIDIA installation will be working with the secure boot support. Although it can be part of the Fedora Linux, we know that the NVIDIA binary driver is pragmatically essential for many people. Previously, the NVIDIA driver installation had been removed from the GNOME software because it didn't support the secure boot. Now this is changed and it's going back wherever it belongs. If you ask me, this is another great change. And now for another really anticipated change, the DNF5 is finally here and it's shipped with the Fedora Linux 41, or at least it will be on the official release, but it's already out on the beta version that I have run right here. Why the DNF5 is so special? Because it's faster and it's better. I know many of you have complained how slow the DNF package installer is. Well, this might as well have been changed or touched at least. So let's see. Let's 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 do simple update first. Well, everything is already updated. I cannot really show you, unfortunately. This is my bad. But basically, it runs so much faster than the previous version of DNF, and it breaks the download of the repositories to smaller pieces, which helps a lot as well. Another change for this release is the new updated version of the RPM package 4.20. Under the hood, our lower level package management tool, it's the RPM, which also gets a new release, bringing new features for Fedora development. User won't see a direct impact immediately, but this update will help us make the distro better overall over time. Sounds good to me. There is a few other changes. I'm not gonna waste your time. I'm gonna leave the release notes in the description of this video if you want, and you can try them as well. But another exciting thing is the introducing to the new Fedora Miracle spin. What Miracle is, it's basically a window manager, tiling window manager based on the Mir compositor library. Excuse me if my pronunciation is not the best. So, what is so special about this? It has a useful features such as manual tiling algorithm, floating window manager support, support for many Wayland protocols, proprietary NVIDIA driver support, and much more. Miracle will provide Fedora Linux with high quality Wayland experience built with support for all kinds of platforms, including low-end ARM and 68 devices. That sounds really promising. I have tried it. To be honest, I'm not a huge fan of this, but hey, who knows? If I give it a proper try, I might like it. Okay, and another huge thing that comes with the new Fedora release is, of course, the new GNOME 47 codename Denver. This brings a lot of new features. Some of them we have already seen in other desktops. For example, these accent colors. It's been in some other distros like Ubuntu for a while, but finally the GNOME team introduces to the official GNOME desktop. It's amazing. I love it. It was about time. What else is new? They have some system enhancements like enhanced small screen support. I don't know if you could catch up with that. They have screen capture hardware encoding, faster, more accurate rendering, persistent remote desktop sessions, new style dialog windows, plus they rearrange the again the files in the GNOME desktop, which I don't know. I just got used to some of the buttons on different places. Now they change them again, but hey, it is what it is, right? They have changed the online accounts and made them better. So if you are one of those guys who use these accounts, just try them and please do let me know if it's better or if it's more easier to use. I don't know. They have added a few more accounts if you ask me, like Nextcloud. Was it there before? Microsoft Exchange, Fedora, I'm not sure. But this is another change that they have introduced to the new GNOME 47. The GNOME calendar app got fixed with more than 50 bug fixes, so improved handling for read-only events, a better looking and more usable layout. I don't know what you think about it, but to be honest, it looks a little bit more modern and I kinda like it before, I still kinda like it now, and I still gonna be using that. GNOME 47 comes with a lot more little changes and bug fixes. Overall, it looks a little bit more modern. That was to be expected finally. So I'm not gonna spend and show you and read you all of the release notes. I will make sure to leave the page for the new release in the description of this video, and please do let me know what you think about it. Overall, my opinion, it's another great and solid release from Fedora. I've been using it for a few days now, and I'm pretty happy, honestly, especially with the new bug fixes, with the new features, and the new improvements. I really like how the DNF5 is faster, so I will encourage you to download it, test it, and well, help for the bug fixes. That's all from me for today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.